This is the Tessoro 497 motorhome from Benimar, and I'm going to show it to you in under 3 minutes. This thing here will cost 67,000 euros, and it is 743 centimeters in length. It's got this double bed up here, which you can see as you come in, but you won't be seeing it coming down because I haven't got the key. This one comes with an oven. All vans come with an oven if you take the option of getting an oven. If you don't, then you won't get one. Up here we've got 3 hobs and a sink with a plastic thing inside of it. There's the 3 hobs. Storage below the kitchen, fridge over here, television storage, and here we have a queen bed which will go up and down should you so require. Wardrobes either side, storage up there, and here we've got a wall that slides across like that with a thing for the television up there, and that came across very nicely, unlike some other vans that from more expensive vans which I videoed today and you will have to see in other videos. There's the shower, and I see somebody's helped themselves with the shower head here. On this side here we have the toilet, and if you so want you can close this door and do the slidey thing across. I just slid across and you can be sitting there for hours on end admiring the small space in here. And it's not really a small place actually, because it's quite large for a toilet and a shower. Alright, there you have another view of the living quarters. Table's quite big, and up here you will find the bed. 230 kilos max, so you might have to lose some weight before using it. Let's come out. This isn't the original floor you get, by the way, that's just there to protect it. At the back we find a garage with a bed that will go up and down. Tessoro 497, and I'm in Dusseldorf, 2022 range from Benimar, and if you want that in more details there'll be a link, and if there isn't a link, write a comment there isn't a link. And so thanks for watching and all the best from Germany.